Hey folks, today we are going to make cucumber water, or agua de pepino. There are many variations and methods to prepare this drink. This is just one way. For this method, we'll need a juicer, a pitcher with some water, sugar, 2 cucumbers, and 2 limes. Next, take your pitcher. I've already poured about 2 cups of water into it. Pour in your juice, stir, and see if you'd like to add water. Here, I just added a little water, saving some room to add ice. And voila! Check out the description box below for details. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.